Is this why my leg was hurting me so much yesterday? It's still hurting me now, man. It's about to rain. You see the clouds? The sky, I mean? It's about to pour. Let me hurry up. Come on, leg, let's go. Come on. I do have my umbrella, but I still don't want to get caught in the rain. That's why my knees acting like it don't have no sense. Because it's about to rain. It's about to pour. Oh, happy day. Come on, let's do this. Woohoo. I'm prepared for it, but I still don't want it to come right now. My finger them numb. Hold on. When I hold this bloody cane, my finger them go numb after a while. Ah, come on, fingers. Get some life back with you. Still numb. Oh, hold on to my phone. I feel like it's that. Jesus, let's go. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. When Jesus was. When Jesus was. Oh, when he was. When Jesus was. Oh, yes, he was. Oh, yes, he was. He washed my sins away. Oh, wow. Oh, it was a happy, happy day. So bite me. Shut up. These things love to bite you. You see your legs outside? Shit. Okay. We got a couple more feet to go. Come on, leg. Let's do this. I know you want to rain, but please, Lord, don't make it rain till I get inside. Oh, Jesus. I just started to say, Jesus, I'm dependent on you. Jesus, I'm dependent on you. Oh, Jesus, I'm dependent on you. Dependent on you to see us through. I feel like when you walk with a cane, it just makes your hips off balance. Let me walk with this. Let me use the umbrella, because the umbrella is higher. The cane is kind of low. You know, when they measure the cane, they put the cane like to your hip. They want to go any higher than that. But the umbrella is taller. They're making me hip and dip. My knees out now is my hip. My left hip, my right hip. Shit. Do do da 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 da. Somebody gonna have a tax sale. I'm not walking over there. It's too far to go all the way over there. We have some more flowers about to open up here. When I was leaving just now, I saw a raccoon. Not a raccoon, a skunk, like a baby skunk, running in the parking lot. And you see when a skunk out in the daytime, it's like they what do you call it? Morning. When the skunk out in the daytime, is they probably sick? Just saw him walking down the Where is it? Me and my son see it. It's like, okay, we gotta get up out of here. Is it skunk? Not skunk. Yeah, the skunk whispered that nasty stuff, eh? Yes, it's the skunk. But it was a small one. It looked like a baby one. Child, when those things spray out here at nighttime, it's awful. Awful smell. It's it's like they're in the house. The way the smell just take over the whole place. Can't stand it. And I don't need him spraying on me now. He probably done gone or the business. But all right, don't hit me now. It's gonna go to that building on the other side. I have to pull in this. Last time I seen him, he was over there. Gotta keep my eyes open. He could be hiding under those cars. There's 2 cars there. I don't know his black and white ass going out in the daytime. I thought it's only in the night time they come out. Everybody else get to just step into the apartment. I gotta climb up the steps before I get to my door. 1, 2. I guess this side of the building is higher because the basement is over this side. The basement is not under the whole building. It's just under this side. My side is higher. So I take the basement. No, I hate being over here too. I like it. I've been living here for a couple of years. But you see when it rains and that water get downstairs, they have a pump down there that's taking it out. But then, that's the only part I hate about it. It smells. The water will get in my fan falling over. Yeah, the water will go in the basement. It's not a livable basement now. They only have the what they have down there. Never went down there. They only have the with the custodian, the guy. Chuck, why the frick you come now making all that bloody noise? People come to check out the building, then the custodian will let them down there. But it's not for everybody to go down there. Don't they have all the, the stuff for the building, whatever the hell you call it. I was just lost for words. I still can't figure out what the hell. Let's put some sanitizer. I need my stand real quick. And bring my stand out here. I have some phone calls. I need to go to the supermarket. The water cooler and all that stuff. All that stuff is down there. Yeah. I remember doing a live last. I don't know why I started that live. It was around almost 12 o'clock last night. This morning. Child, when I catch myself, I can't remember what time it was, but when I look at the thing this morning, it said it was 3 hours. I keep saying I want to sleep. Because I was listening to somebody live, a video on YouTube. Sean Cannell. I was listening to him on YouTube. Then I knew my ass wanted to sleep. I don't know why I started the live. But thank God I turned off the light out of my face. I have to go back and watch it and see. It was 3. I think it went for 3 hours 39. So 12. Probably about 3 o'clock or so. 12, 1, 2, 3. Probably about 3 o'clock, almost 4, because 3 hours 39 minutes or something. And as I said, thank God I turned the light off and took the camera off of me. But damn it. I hope it didn't switch to nobody else's video. I have to go and watch it to see what else is caught on it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and share, guys. Like and share. I saw I was at 961. Now I look again. It come back to 960. You guys playing with me, isn't it? This song say, "Are you ain't nothing but a dee-da, a da-dee-da-dee-dee-da." There's 960 still. I'm just trying to strain in my eye, forget my glasses to see. I love 960. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's 901 over there. We have 960 subscribers. How much more I need to get to 1,000? I'm not a mathematician now. Let's see. Let me pull up my calculator. I know the other day was 44, but it took back some of them. It went down. Oh, it went over. Yeah, it's got to be less. Subtract 960. Okay, we need 40. 40 more subscribers. Who could I call loyal today? Is there any loyal subscribers who's going to hit? I need 40 people to hit the subscribe button today. 40. Then I had a seizure and I burned up my hand. When my hand fell in the pot while I was cooking and I burned up my hand. This was the first one, the second one. You know, when it hurts, like sometimes when I'm trying to write, because you know you have to rest that finger down, I don't know, then it gets all... Well, otherwise that it don't bother me like that, but I just don't like how it looks. But at least I still have all my 10 fingers and my 10 toes. Did a skin graft. He cut the skin from my hip. I still have the scar there. And put it on here. 2 times I got burned. These was like in 1992, 93. I can't remember the exact date. Exact year, but it was around it, 90-something. I think I got burned. I was living in Stanford, Connecticut. I'm still living in Connecticut, but it's not Stanford. I'm about 30 to 40 minutes from Stanford. Without traffic, because there's always traffic in the highway. I don't drive, but I'm just estimating the time because it varies according to what time you leave. I'll say when you have to write, that's the time it starts affecting me. I don't like. If you're writing for a long period of time, if you just write one sentence, okay, that's fine. But if you when you're writing, your hand have to be down, and then it just start, like the muscles and they just start tightening up. Like I have to go make a list to go to the grocery store. What do I need? I need to go on the ShopRite website and see what let's write down the main things I need. Bread. Okay, you know what? Let me do a different video. We're making a grocery list. Add